Well, I'm out here, Sheboygan River. This is actually my first time ever fishing here. I'm just gonna kind of wander around. I've actually never fished there, so it's kind of weird. But I don't want to go into a deep place, a deep pool, and like get stuck. I can see the other side, but I can't see the side that we're on. So like maybe I kind of just go in. Maybe kind of just go in and start fishing. Is that another part of the river? Smells like cow poop over here. It's pretty bad. Nice break over here. Oh, too small had it. Something super small is just taking it. Can't chew it all the way. But I can feel him just holding on to it. He's just taking the tails. Such a small lure, I can't take it. Sad. For a big smallie, you know, something that can actually bite. He has it. Got him. There we go. No, I said something that could actually bite. Look at these guys. Super small guy. Chunker though. Chunky. Well, surprisingly he wanted it, but you know, I want your bigger guys. Well, catch you later, buddy. Gotta make sure I get this back to where it needs to be. Okay, that's one on the board. Maybe there's another one in here. The heck? It's too small. It's extra small came and took it. Dang, it's such small, man. If they can only take the tail and run away. What the is this is like the smallest rage craw I have. So it's like another little small guy. I think that was like super small. Sorry, buddy, I got you right in the eye, didn't I? Extra small mouth. My uncle was saying 2 to 3 pounders, but dang, this ain't like 2 to 3 ounces. Oh, he's a fighter though. Give him that. Letting them eat it for a while. It's like I'm waiting like at least 30 seconds. I can feel them eat it already. I'm just letting them take it. Small profile I have on right now. Something super small had it. Oh, something small has it again. Well, this one actually isn't so bad. Actually, still a pretty small guy. Chunker. Look at him, chunky. Chunky Smallie. So small. Where's the big brothers, huh? I don't want to see your big brothers. Or mama. Let's see their mamas. For the big girl, you know? Something else has it. Woo! Okay, this one isn't bad. Oh yeah, this one's decent. Okay. Not the big girl I'm looking for, but I mean, this one looks like at least like a keeper. Maybe a keeper? Not too sure. Oh! Bunch of energy though. Okay. Why does it keep fighting? Not the 3 5-pounder the 3 to 4 pounder that my uncle mentioned, but I mean, he acts like it. Okay, you gotta chillax. That's weird. I got him from the bottom lip. That's better. I don't even have him on the bottom. I have him like look where I have him at. It's kind of awkward, but yeah, that's better, man. That's at least a keeper. Probably like half a pound, maybe. But that's a keeper for sure. Nice 14. 14, 15 inch Smallie. Not bad. Well, catch you later, buddy. Well, let's see if I can pull up another one here. Okay. Oh yeah. Woo! Got him. That belly relax. When you hold their bellies, they get all chill.